my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to make a ranking chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. So I've got PowerPoint open, and the first thing I'm going to do is come over to Insert and say Chart. Now I'm going to just select a random sort of the standard bar chart to start with. Say OK. And this will automatically start up an Excel style spreadsheet here. So we can actually use all of the formulas that we would use in Excel and modify this spreadsheet in PowerPoint. Now you can see under here where we would have like the names of contenders and things like that, and these would be what they're being ranked on. So let's say jumping and running and maybe falling. Say that's what we're going to rank them on. So we'll just name these man 1, man 2, man 3, and man 4. So you can see our chart looks pretty good, and we're just going to close this out, and everything's been named correctly. So our chart is looking pretty sweet. We can spruce this up a little bit by changing the chart type, and instead going with one of these stacked bar charts. So instead of having the ranking side by side, each guy will be kind of collected into his own stack. Say OK. And now you can kind of see an overall progress. So we can see what each of them are good in, but we can also see across the whole which one's doing the best out of the 4. I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to create a ranking chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. I'm Josiah Ray.